Erokamano kuom medo kete Ramogi TV chenro en mar migago. Jagore migago mar tudruok Stephen Saboke otone kwetho oganda mawuok e gwenge mopogore opogore mar ringo odiochieng' thieth manono ahinya bang' piny owacho duoko chenro mag okuma mar thieth mar SHA e kar thieth ma Nyanchwa. Ka giloso kinde chiwo chenro mag thieth manono ma obede skund sirikal kod Mairura Foundation mawuok e piny Amerika, Saboke kod ten kar thieth no medo kwayo jopiny mondo omi ondikre ne okumba mar thieth mar SHA. Jochiw thieth man kod lony e tuoche mag choke bende otiyo kod thuolono e chiwo thieth ne jotuo mohewo 2,500.
Our promise is that through the government scheme, that is SHA, and we are so happy that we had a few issues here and there, but the government graciously agreed to reinstate us back. So we are going to take up those cases now under the new arrangement with the government and continue supporting them. And we are even appealing to the general public, those who have orthopedic issues. We have local doctors. That's why together with the Mairura Foundation, we were able to see more than 2,500 patients in terms of screening.
We also encourage our people to register in SHA. The number we have for Kisii County registered for SHA is about 465,000 residents of Kisii County registered, just short of 500,000. And as you know, SHA is actually a universal healthcare intervention intended to help all Kenyans access basic healthcare.
Advanced technology is really designed for the benefit of others. I think we're seeing AI as just a global impact, not just in medicine, but across different fields. In my life of orthopedics, I've certainly seen in my office where I'm able to talk into a microphone like this and it spits out notes that we ordinarily in the old days would be able to write with pen and paper or type on a computer. I think it's something we have to embrace, something we have to be knowledgeable on, and definitely it's impacting and changing a lot of what we do, certainly in the aspects of medicine.